morning. So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng Ethernet cable. So syempre, sa paggawa ng Ethernet cable, kailangan natin ng materials. So what are the materials needed para sa paggawa ng Ethernet cable? So number one, of course, you need a UTP cable, at least 2 meters long. So next, also, you need a crimping tool to crimp the RJ45. And of course, we need an RJ45. So at least 8 para kung sakaling magkamali kayo, meron kayong pangpalit. So the crossover cable is the combination of straight through A color pattern and the straight through B color pattern. So here is the wiring diagram of the crossover cable. So as you can see, it is the combination of T568A cable and T568B cable. Tandaan natin na crossover ay combination ng STA at STB color pattern. So muna natin ang STA, which is white green ang mauuna. Next, STB naman. Straight to B, white, orange. Nakasabi, bago i-green. Green. Dapat may click sound. Yun, na may kasamang unique. Meron na tayong SDA at meron tayong SPB cable. So let's check. So ito po ang light pattern ng crossover. Wave, tama. Wave, tama. Isa pa, baka magkamali. Last wave, okay.